Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our online chat Node.js tutorial. This is Emp as well as usual. I'm going to show you where we left off. We have our chat window. We have our chat server that will serve up the index file and we'll connect and we'll see what somebody logged on and we put in Hiya. Now, if I put in hello, oh hi there, this looks kind of ugly to me. I don't want a bullet point list for chatting. So I'm going to do a little bit of styling here. So we're going to go to styles, say UL list style type none because I don't want those bullet points. Padding 10 pixels. ULLI. Padding, let's say 5 pixels, 10 pixels. LI nth child odd. So I just want to make this alternating. Background is 333. That'll look nice, I bet. Okay, let's try it now. Hello. Oh, that looks nice. Hi there. How are you? I am fine. That looks so much nicer and cleaner to me. So but there's one thing that we need to be able to do, and that's when we chat multiple times, we have to make it so that we can actually see who's chatting with who. So I'm going to change my server. The very first thing I'm going to change is not socket.emit, but io.emit so that we send to everybody. And then I'm going to get rid of that. It's because I need to change it. I'm going to give us a name. It's going to start off as anonymous. Anonymous. And when they disconnect, I'm not going to say user disconnected. I'm going to say name disconnected. When they chat, I'm going to console log name plus a colon plus the message. And same thing when I send it here. I'm going to do name plus colon plus message. Then I need to actually allow the name to change because we don't want it to always be anonymous. So socket.on name change function new name. I'm going to console.log name change their name to this new name. And then we're going to say IO. No, we're going to say name equals new name. If we want, we can emit something to tell it that we want to that the name changed, but that's not really necessary. So then over here, in order to actually do this, we need to create some place where we can actually put a name in. So underneath messages, I'm going to create a new form, and it's going to be called name form. Action is still going to be nothing. Inside, I'm going to put an input ID equals name box. I'm going to put a button, and it's going to say change. Now, looking at that might be a little bit confusing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put ahead of the input, I'm going to say chatting as colon and then a break. And then that might look a little bit nicer. So let's style it. So we have our chat form at the bottom. And next we're going to do our name form. Still with 100%, padding 5 pixels, position fixed, and how about bottom 50 picks? Okay. Then when I actually do something with it, I'm going to say var nameform equals document.get element by ID nameform, and then var name box equals document.get element by ID name box. And then I'm going to say name box dot value equals anonymous, because that's what I want it to start as. Then I'm going to say name form dot on submit, just like the other one, equals function socket dot emit name change. That's what I set it up to listen to. Name box dot value. And then I'm going to return false, just like before. So let's try that out, see what happens. Gotta run my server again first. There it is. Let's reload. I'm chatting as anonymous. And if I say hello, it says anonymous says hello. If I change it to emp, then I'm going to say hiya. And it gives emp says hiya. But what about if chatting back and forth? Let's make a new tab, which we go to localhost again. I'm going to change it to emp2. And I'm going to say hello. emp2 says hello. Let's go back and look at it. And look, emp2 says hello. So now we have a chat that works back and forth and everybody can see what everybody says. And we actually have usernames. Obviously, people can still choose the same usernames. There's no login process. So this is still very, very lightweight. But it gives you an ability to actually chat. If you put this on, if you make this a web server somewhere, somebody could actually chat with somebody else using it. So that's a functional chat server. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And we're going to do something even more fun next.